Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this quick video, I will show you how to transfer money from Dailypay to your Cash App. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So first you need to do is withdraw the money from your Dailypay to a bank account. So to do that, what you need to do is open up your Dailypay and then this will show you this screen. From here, select the amount that you want to transfer or the withdraw from your Dailypay. So just select it. After that, you need to click on this start transfer option. Then you want to select the in how much time you want to get your money, so you can select the now or 1 to 3 business days. So I recommend you to select now option. After that, you have to enter your bank details, so just click on this account option and add your bank details. After this, click on this complete transfer option. Just click on that and your money will be transferred to your bank account. Now once you have your money in your bank account, what you need to do is open up your Cash App and then click on this profile icon at the top. Then this will open up your profile page. So from here you have to scroll down and then you have to click on this linked bank option. Right after that, you have to click on this link bank option. Now you have to click on this continue button and then select your bank account. So make sure to select the bank account that you have used to transfer money from Dailypay. So select the account from here and enter your bank details. And once you have selected bank account and add it to your Cash App, what you need to do is open up your Cash App again and then click on this amount that is showing right and at the bottom. So it will show the current balance of your Cash App. So just click on that, and once you do that, it will show you this page. So from here you have to click on this add cash option. Now as soon as you click on that, it will show you this window. So from here, select the amount that you want to add in your Cash App and then click on this add button. And once you do that, you have to select a payment method. So select use the bank account that you use to transfer money from Dailypay as a payment method in your Cash App, and you will be able to transfer your money from Dailypay to your Cash App. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.